Cryptocurrency has been on the rise and has become a popular investment option for many. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies is XRP, and many are predicting it could reach the $1 mark this year, while some are not. Are you wondering if XRP will hit $1 this year? Or are you among those thinking otherwise? Well, today's video is to create some clarity, and I hope you enjoy it. Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 31st of August. The cryptocurrency market is an ever-evolving space, with various digital assets competing for market attention. One of the most prominent is XRP, a digital asset created by Ripple Labs. It has been around since 2012 and has seen its price rise and fall over the years. This article will explore if XRP will hit the $1 mark this year. Back in 2021, a question was raised regarding XRP's price, and it was this: will XRP reach the $1 mark in 2021? XRP's price has been in a steady decline since the start of 2020, though it has picked up in recent months. The most recent surge was in January 2021, when the price rose from around 25 cents to over 50 cents. This was mainly due to a surge in demand for the currency, driven by news that Ripple Labs was planning to launch its own decentralized exchange. However, the question remains, can XRP hit the $1 mark this year? It is certainly a possibility, given the current market conditions. For one, Bitcoin's price continues to rise, and if it continues to rally, it could drag up the prices of other digital assets, including XRP. Furthermore, the crypto market is still largely unregulated, meaning there is still room for speculation. At the same time, it is important to note that XRP's price is still largely dependent on news from Ripple Labs. If the company's plans to launch its own exchange are delayed, or if there are any other negative news, then XRP's price could suffer. It's been 2 years now and same question has been raised once again. Can XRP hit the $1 mark this year? Now this is my analysis. The cryptocurrency XRP has been gaining traction in the financial industry, and its value has been steadily increasing over the past few years. But can it hit the coveted $1 mark by 2023? Well, XRP has seen a huge spike in its price in 2021 and is currently the third largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. This has caused many investors to speculate that XRP could reach the $1 mark by the end of 2023. However, there are some factors that could prevent XRP from reaching its desired goal of $1 by 2023. For example, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and the market is always changing. This makes predicting XRP's future price difficult, as it could easily be affected by events such as regulation changes or major news announcements. Another factor to consider is the potential competition that XRP could face from other cryptocurrencies. Some of these other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum and Cardano, have seen significant growth in the past year and could potentially overtake XRP in terms of market capitalization. Following last week's summary judgment on portions of the case, Judge Sarah Netburn recently instructed both Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has ordered both parties to determine 3 mutually convenient dates for a potential settlement conference, indicating that there might be an opportunity to conclude their prolonged legal dispute. The decision, seen as a considerable victory for Ripple Labs, overturned the SEC's initial claim that Ripple had conducted an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP. Recently, XRP has been riding a powerful wave of momentum, igniting excitement among analysts who foresee an exhilarating surge toward the desired $1 mark. Behind the scenes, Ripple Labs, the visionary force propelling XRP's rise, has been unstoppably forging strategic partnerships and engaging in groundbreaking collaborations. These extraordinary efforts have ignited a fire of confidence in many investors, believing a new bull market will take shape. The weekly time frame for XRP shows a bullish outlook. The main reason for this is a breakout from a 700-day descending resistance line. Breakouts from such long-term structures often lead to significant movements in the other direction. Still feeling a little bit skeptical? Well, allow me give you some reasons that shows why XRP can hit the $1 mark by December. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Firstly, Ripple has been making some strategic investments lately, including a recent partnership with MoneyGram, the world's second largest money transfer company. MoneyGram will be using XRP to facilitate cross-border payments, which should increase demand for the token. Secondly, XRP's transaction speed and low cost make it a great choice for financial institutions, which is why many banks and other large companies are adopting it. Thirdly, Ripple has been working hard to increase the token's liquidity by partnering with dozens of exchanges. This makes it easier to buy and sell XRP, which could help drive up the price. Fourthly, increased adoption. XRP has been adopted by banks and financial institutions worldwide, which has increased its value. Fifth, increased use cases. XRP has been used in various sectors, from healthcare to banking. This has opened up more use cases and generated more demand for XRP. More reasons include supply and demand. The amount of XRP available is limited, which has led to an increase in demand. Growing market capitalization. XRP has seen significant growth in its market capitalization, which has helped to increase its value. Finally, there's been a lot of positive news about XRP lately, which has increased investor confidence in the digital token. One analyst, Tolberti, explained on TradingView that XRP would likely jump at least to a resistance level at $1.30. If it can break through that level, it could retest its all-time high of $3.28. That would represent a nearly 4x gain from today's price. Other prominent crypto analysts have been even more bullish. Thomas Crollo, manager of the hedge fund Crollo Capital and a YouTube influencer with more than 330,000 subscribers, proposed a near-term price target of $8 to $10 for XRP. His long-term price target, announced before the ruling in the SEC case, is $30. According to Ripple, blockchain and crypto technologies are attracting the interest of global financial executives as they present a potential solution to modernize the underlying infrastructure of international payments. A recent report by Ripple Labs reveals that 44% of survey respondents expect payments to be the biggest driver of crypto adoption, with cross-border payments being a top use case for XRP. Traditional payments, especially cross-border ones, often rely on legacy rails that can take days to settle transactions. In contrast, blockchain and digital asset technologies provide a seamless global infrastructure in which payments can be sent and received anytime, anywhere, instantly with lower fees and 360 visibility, the report by Ripple states. In conclusion, it is difficult to say whether XRP will reach the $1 mark this year. While there is potential for a surge, there are also many factors that could work against it. So will XRP reach the $1 mark by 2023? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, XRP has the potential to be a major player in the cryptocurrency market in the future. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.